how you doing? Maddie Mac Car Reviews with another video right here. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, and I'm sorry about that, but you know, just doing life, man, doing life. I try to get these videos in when I can, but I never forget about you guys. I always see the comments, and I always try to reply to you guys. Now, sometimes when I click the comment button to reply, the names don't pop up. So I see the comments, but the names don't pop up. So I know someone had asked me what what exhaust is on the Jeep, and it's basically the Borla Attack mufflers, and we have a resonator delete. So you gotta have the Borla Attack mufflers, and we have a resonator delete. That's what gives it the sound. And someone else had asked me about a mod video. The Jeep is pretty much stock. Besides the exhaust, pretty much stock. So that's that. But you guys never saw my personal car. Don't laugh at me. But this is my baby right here. An 02 Honda Accord. You see I got the reindeer nose and the antlers up there. Blessed right here. This is my baby right here. So for people that like the VTEC, here you go. There we go. Got the lights in there. Yes, right, sir. Okay. Right there, read that. Not drunk avoiding potholes, which means if I'm going slow over potholes and you honk at me, I will go slower. We got a Skunk 2 under there. Skunk 2. We got some Ricey, right? I'll put the camera down, let you guys hear a clip, hear a little bit. And that's that. But without further ado, this is what you guys want to see right here. So let's do this cold start. Let me get my phone out to record it on Instagram as well. Boom. Car rules. And you already know, dope. Here's the phone. Alright. And this is your cold start. Guys, so I had to go stop and get yours truly right here. A question about this: if this happens to anybody Jeep or whatever, let me know in the comments below. I'm recording from my phone real quick. I got the GoPro in there, but come here, look it over here. The left side is out, like the lights are on. I have it on the, I'll show you which one I have it on. But on the driver's side, it's out, and on the back passenger side, it blinks. You know, it does this once in a while. And this is how I have it right now. So if anybody know the deal with that, is it a fuse? Is it, you know, I don't know, but it happens. Oh, and for the license plate light, it flick. Hey, what's going on? For the license plate thing, it flickers too. All right, so let's get it in here real quick. Put this right here. Fix this up for her. Over here. All right. And just like that, she's in. As you can see, what's up? She's happy. She loves being back there. So for everyone who thinks, oh, why do you have her in the trunk? Yada, 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 yada. I mean, where else is she gonna go? She's not gonna sit on the seats. She have enough space right here. She lays down. And she's happy. She just likes being around us. Right, Sha? Let's see if she give me a paw. You get a paw? Good girl. Alright, so just like that. Take that off her. She's straight. She be alright. Alright. Now, let's flip back over to the GoPro. Alright, so here we go, guys. Matter of fact, let me take this off. In this video today, we're gonna do this is like an update video to show face, say what's up, say hi, how you doing, and all of that good stuff. But we're also gonna do another reaction. So my cousin, she loved these Jeeps and everything. She never been in one. Definitely not an SRT. I don't think she's been in a Grand Cherokee before. Maybe she has, but we'll find out when she get in here. But she definitely haven't been in a SRT before. Like I said, it's raining, so I can't even really go crazy or anything. Now, let me take this off. But yeah, let's see her reaction. So I'm gonna holler at you when we get over to her. Alright, guys, so this right here, this is my cousin. What's up? Say what's up.
I'll be hey guys.
Yeah, so what's up? So you said you like the Grand Cherokees, right?
Yeah.
But you never been in one?
Yeah, I've never been in one.
But yeah, this is not your average Grand Cherokee. Can you tell the difference between it so far?
Yeah, I could tell by the way the motor sound and stuff like that.
Yeah, the exhaust is loud, right?
Yeah, it's loud.
It's not your average or your typical. So
we already on 40th. We just still at 33rd, like a second to go.
Yeah, that's for y'all that don't know what she's talking about. That's the blocks.
Yeah.
But we doing the speed limit, so you feel me?
Ah.
Yeah. So
I'm looking crazy. Like, it's raining. Don't mind me, because any other day I would have had my weave down. I would have been looking spicy. But I can't look spicy because it's raining. Like, so I just ran out of here looking like this.
Real quick, just for the vid, right? Come on, you sick?
Yeah.
Man. I cracked it. But yeah, so we're gonna take her on a little drive real quick. Probably hop on the highway. Like I said, it's raining, so you can't really do too much.
I want some seafood.
We in auto mode right now. About to throw it to track real quick. See what it's looking like.
Nah, this car is mad fast. So did he add that feature?
Add what?
Like that, it's like that feature for it to do that, or it been like
also has a feature called the launch control. When you hold the brake, hold the gas.
Oh shit! Woo! Oh, that's scary. Woo! Oh my gosh.
This feature is not supported on the current phone.
Cancel. So, how you feel about it?
It's cool. It's a little scary, but it's alright. It's nice. I'll be dead scared. It's giving me motor car vibes and Fast and Furious vibes.
Yeah, Fast and Furious vibes, right?
Yeah, I'm jacking this could have been in Fast and Furious.
You know, actually in the last, what is it, the Furious 7? That's the last one that came out. They had the Challenger. Did they have a demon in there? It's like related to this one, but it has a little bit more power. But it's called the Demon.
Oh wow, I can imagine what that is.
Yeah,
like,
that's more crazy. Then they have one a track called, it's the same Jeep, but it has a supercharged. Supercharged.
So what does the SRC stand for?
Street Racing Technology.
Oh.
And we gonna holler at you. See you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Be sure to browse. Thanks for the support. More videos coming soon. I'm gonna get back to the roots, which is the car reviews. When the weather get a little better. Man, thanks for being in the video. And I know y'all like seeing Gianna, so shot, up, over here. Say bye. Alright, she said bye. So later.